welcome back to my channel. So for today's tutorial I'm going to be using the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette, and it looks like this. This is actually my first time ever using one of her palettes. This is the first one that I've ever even purchased. I don't know why, I'm so late to the game, but I really like the palette. But yeah, let's get started. So I'm first going to prime using my soft ochre paint pot, and I'm going to apply an even layer all over my eyelids. So next I'm going to take translucent powder and I'm going to set my eyelids. So the first color that I'm going to be using is called Burnt Orange. I'm going to use the brush that it comes with, and that's going to be my transition color. And then when there's nothing left on my brush, I'm just going to go ahead and buff this out up until my brow bone. And by doing this, it's going to help diffuse the color to make sure that there's no harsh lines, and it's going to look nice and smooth. So next I'm going to go ahead and switch over to a MAC 217, and I'm going to be using the shade Mulberry, and then I'm going to apply this in my crease. And this color is definitely a little darker than I expected it to be. I thought it was going to be more like a burnt orange, reddish. It's a little, it kind of looks almost like a dark purple. I'm going to go back in with the blending brush and buff that out. So next I'm going to go ahead and apply some glitter primer, and the one I'm going to be using is my favorite one. It's by NYX, and I'm going to place that on my lid. I'm also going to take the glitter primer, and at the same time I'm going to carve out. So it's kind of like creating a cut crease almost. And then on top of that I'm going to apply the color Glistening. Next I'm just going to take a little bit more of that Mulberry shade, and I'm going to apply that to the outer portion of my lid as well. And then take Glistening on top of that. And then with whatever's left on my brush, I'm going to buff them both together. So next I'm just going to go ahead and add some eyeliner. I'm back. Don't judge me, I'm addicted to baking. Anyway, so I'm just going to move on to the eyes now and finish them off. The reason why I don't do my foundation on camera is because I feel like it's going to make my video really long, and I don't want it to be very long, so I'm going to go ahead and dip into Mulberry, which was the one that we used in our crease, and I'm going to run this along my lower lash line. I'm going to take it all the way in because I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line with black. So then I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to dip into Noir, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this really close to my lashes. So then for my lash line I'm going to take a black eyeliner, and then I'm also going to go back into the black shade and smoke that out a little more. So I feel like the reddish color got lost, I'm going to add a little more. I'm also going to take some of the black onto my crease with the same pencil brush. And then this, I'm only going to apply it here on the outer corner and bring it up just a little bit. And then I'm going to go back into my 217 and buff that out. So now that both eyes are done, I'm just going to go ahead and take my brush and brush this off. So before I highlight, I'm just going to go ahead and apply some mascara to my lower lashes. So for highlight, I'm going to be using Amrezi's highlight that she did in collaboration with Anastasia. So to outline my lips, I'm going to be using this lip liner by I Love Sadei and ColourPop. This one is in the shade 951. And then I'm going to blend that with MAC's lip gloss. This one is in the shade Signs of Spring. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys next time.